Let's start. The project name is the location address. In this tutorial, we will see how to capture the current location address of the user in Java Android. Let's see the project structure. In the manifest file, we have specified the location and internet permissions. In the build.gradle file, we have integrated the location library. Here we have the main activity, a location manager class, and a permissions manager class. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a button called Get the Address, and a text view where we would show the location address. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text view. And this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. The working of the permissions manager class is explained in one of our previous tutorials on runtime permissions. The link to that video is mentioned in the description. This class basically handles the runtime use permissions. These are the imports. This is the location manager class. These are the data members. First, we implement the singleton object creation pattern, so that only a single object of this class would be present throughout the life cycle of our app. While creating the singleton object, we call the init method where we initialize some things. In the init function, we get the location provider client, and also set up a location callback where we get the actual location data. Then we call the create location request method. This is the create location request method that creates a location request like this. This is the get last location function. This function checks if the last location is available or not. If available, it returns the location data. If not available, it calls the start location updates function. This is the start location updates function. This function requests location updates from the location provider client. This function continuously updates the location data. This is the stop location updates function. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we create instances of the permissions manager class and location manager class. The onRequest permissions result function handles the result of the permissions. If the permissions are granted, we create a location request. When the Get Address button is clicked, first, we check if the location permissions have been granted or not. If not, we ask for the permissions. When the permissions are granted, we call the getAddress function. This is the getAddress function. Here we use the Geocoder to convert the current location into an actual address. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can capture the current location address of the user in Java Android. Thanks for watching.